Hey y'all, it's time to get rid of all of that unwanted hair. Yeah, I know the winter is coming, so we thought we was gonna skip that process. Absolutely not. So I partnered with Crybaby Wax to start my own at-home wax journey. Now, the waxes are vegan and cruelty free, which I absolutely love. The wax removes all unwanted hairs, regardless of the direction it is growing. And the Get a Grip face and body applicators feature 3 different sticks for the perfect waxing. The meltdown machine also provides temperature controls and it is easy to clean. So when your machine turns green, you know it is time to go. Now for me, my waxing experience was absolutely easy. I thought I was gonna cry, but y'all, it was painless and I need this in my life. So make sure you all check out Crybaby Wax and I guarantee you, you will not wax another way.